Right now in boardrooms across the country, conversations are happening that most employees will never hear until it's too late. And leadership teams are quietly strategizing budget cuts and relocations and how to slash up to 40% of staff, because many of those roles just won't be replaced by other people. They'll be replaced with AI. Now, in my honest opinion, AI can't fully replace everyone because there will always be a need for humans to program, tweak, and monitor the AI. But it can streamline operations so much so that companies simply won't need as many staff anymore. So your paycheck may not be as secure as you think, because if AI-driven changes lead to demotions and pay cuts or even layoffs, the last thing you want to be is buried under a car note, mortgage, credit card bills, or even having little to no savings. And that's not about fear. It's about protection and preparedness. So let's talk strategy, because your best defense isn't panic, it's having a smart financial plan. So behind closed doors, leaderships are asking questions like, where can we cut costs immediately? How many roles can AI replace? How do we streamline with fewer people? Or better yet, can we move our operation overseas but keep a physical building here in the States for tax and legal purposes so the business has very few staff on site? You see, back in the day, great job performance was your job security. But now, in today's time, it's not even about your performance. It's about corporate math. Companies see technology as cheaper, faster, and more efficient. And whether you're the best at what you do or not, that doesn't always protect your paycheck. So start doing these 3 things now to protect yourself in the AI era. Live below your pay raise. If you recently received a pay raise or you're about to get a pay raise, continue living off of your old salary. Save or invest the difference in a high yield savings account or in a Roth IRA or perhaps a brokerage account, because this creates margin without you feeling the squeeze. High interest debt gotta go. It gotta go as quickly as possible and as soon as possible, like right now, because the biggest culprit is having or carrying high interest debt, but you keep swiping and using your card. Stop using the card. Stop lollygagging. In fact, freeze the card, block the card, do whatever you have to do to stop yourself from using the card. And aggressively pay off the debt, because if your income drops, these debt will drown you faster than anything else. So while you have the income, pay extra towards these debt and get it knocked out. It's time to stop paying the minimum payment only. Start paying above the minimum payment. Like when I wanted to pay things off sooner, I always went straight to my closet and I posted shoes and clothes and gently used handbags on Poshmark. And every time I sold an item, the cash I got from that, I throw it extra at my debt. So if you have clothes and shoes laying around or handbags laying around, or perhaps even if you have furniture, put it on Poshmark or sell it on Facebook Marketplace. Start scouting around and see what can I turn into cash that can help me make extra payments so that I can pay this debt off quicker. Take a look at costs you can cut now, like your cable bill, your phone bill, renegotiating your car insurance, or pulling up to see how much am I paying on homeowners insurance, and shop around to see what can I get for good coverage but for less. Look to see where it is that you're overspending, whether it's groceries or eating out during your lunch break or excessive food delivery fees, because those fees adds up quickly. Go 60 days, no shopping, no buying clothes, no buying shoes. And as a matter of fact, for the upcoming holidays this year, we about to bond on family time. No gifts at all. Have a no gift holiday celebration this year as you bring in Thanksgiving and as you bring in Christmas and as you bring in the New Year. No shopping for gifts. Let's start enjoying bonding and spending quality time with our family versus trying to buy elaborate gifts. And meanwhile, we're drowning financially and we don't have any financial stability. And here's another one. It's time to cut people off that's financially draining you and surround yourself with more people that's about protecting their income and growing their income with wisdom and strategy, not just people who want to wear their paycheck or drive their paycheck. Here's the bottom line. AI isn't the future, it's the present. And companies are already making decisions behind closed doors that could change your paycheck without notice. They won't send you a warning email before they cut 40% of their staff. Look at the 1,100 jobs that were recently impacted by International Paper permanently closing in Riceboro and Savannah, Georgia. And oftentimes, most companies won't even give you 6 months grace period to transition. Some employees are given 30 days, maybe not even that. If you take anything else from this, anything else, remember the risk isn't just losing your job. It's losing your job while being buried in debt with no savings or little to no savings and no backup plan. Because that's when life hits the hardest. You don't need to wait for a layoff to wake you up. You don't need to wait for AI to disrupt your industry. You can build your financial shield today. Live below your raises. Kill any high interest debt that you have as quickly and as soon as possible. Stack a real emergency fund and create multiple streams of income. And budget in a way that can flex when life does. Because if you do those things, AI can shake up the job market, but it won't shake up your household. AI may be powerful, but it's not smarter than preparation. And it's not stronger than discipline, and it would never outwork a person who has a financial house in order. So don't wait till change is forced on you to start protecting yourself. Protect your future now, build your cushion now, and get your money right so no matter what corporate America does and no matter what corporate America decides, you're still standing at the end. Hey family, I hope you enjoyed today's Wealth and Wisdom conversation. Listen, there are so many job loss and job layoffs that are happening right under our eyes that we don't even realize and we don't even know about. Leadership are having conversations behind closed doors, and oftentimes employees are not privy to that information until it's too late. My goal as a financial wellness coach is to always make sure that we are focused on having financial stability, no matter if we experience job loss or not. Do me a favor, share this video with at least 10 people that you know, your family group, your friend group, and even some of your coworkers on your job, because you never know what conversations are being had about you that could affect you and many of the people that you work around. Always remember, your mindset is the key to unlocking your financial freedom. It's time to leave behind what's comfortable for what's possible. All we have is now, family, so start now. See y'all next week.